Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the projection of lines. For this we have to complete it in 3 parts. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. First we will go with the simple problem. Now I will read the question. Draw the projection of the straight line AB of 70 mm long in the following positions. Parallel to the both planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane, and 20 mm far away from it. First draw the reference line, that means the XY line. Next they give that parallel to the HP and parallel to the VP and AB. The line is AB and which is of 70 mm and which is parallel to the both horizontal plane and the vertical plane. This is parallel. The point the line AB should be parallel to the both vertical plane and the horizontal plane, and it is the 20 mm above and in front of the plane. Here we taking the vertical plane, that means we have to denote with A dash, small a dash, and for this here it is B. This is the 70 mm length, and same below A and 70 mm length and denote with B. Here B dash, here 70. This is a simple problem. Then we will go to the next few problems. The AB line length is constant, but the positions are different. We will draw the different positions. Next, this is the XY, and next parallel to and 20 mm above the HP and on the VP. First take on the VP. On the VP how much? This is A. For VP there is no any slash, and measure it to 70 mm and locate another point, that is B. Next they give that 30 mm and 20 mm above the HP, 20 mm above, that means top 20 HP, 20 mm. Here is it A dash. Next 70 mm, denote it with B dash. This will be a simple problem. Next we will go to the another problem. Next to parallel to and 30 mm in front of the VP and on HP. On HP means first draw the reference line. This will be the reference line. Then they show that on the horizontal plane. That means on horizontal means here on the XY reference plane. This is X, this is Y. It is in the HP. HP means we have to keep dash, B dash, and measure the 70 mm length. This will be 70 mm. We have to dark this line to show the output, B dash, and they told that in front of the VP, that is below the XY plane, we have to take 30 mm, denote it with A, and next same 70. Join these two lines, then we will get finally completed the problem. We have to draw the leader lines, and we have to draw a line. We have to denote $70, and here also we have to denote if we do like so, then we will get the full marks, and we will see the next problem. And the next problems are perpendicular. The difference between these are, the parallel means the angle between these two is 180. If the perpendicular means, that means the 90. You will see the problem. Next, first draw the reference line. Now I will read the question. Perpendicular to HP and 30 mm in front of VP and 1 end 25 mm above the HP. First, what they given, we have to write. Perpendicular to HP, they wrote. Then what? 30 mm in front. In front means below VP. We got clarity. And next, 1 end. That means take A, either A or B. I will take A. Is 20 mm above HP. First, use it. These two first we have to use 20 mm starting from here. 20 mm. This is the 20. Next, perpendicular to HP. From here. This will be the 70 mm. Now carefully look at the denotations. A is on HP. A is, here we have to, A is 20 mm above the HP. Here A. It is in the horizontal line, so that we have to slash, we have to keep slash. Next B. B dash. We have used this and this. This is remaining. 30 mm in front. This is 30 mm. And next we have to prolong it. Now here we have to use this 30 mm. 30 mm in front of the B. This is 30. Next, how we have to denote? That is compass. From the top view, we can see just only the B point, B or B. This will be the final denote. How we denote line. From that, if we focus a light from the top, then it will appear like a point. If the light fall on this pen, then finally it will appear on the table like a point, so that here you can see that if the light is falling from here, then it will be a dot. Then it will be rotated up to the 180 degrees. Then we will see a dot, that is top to bottom. It will be going inside. That is point here. And thank you for watching. We will see the next problems in the next videos.